The Polar M600 is an Android Wear-powered fitness tracker that tries to take the best of both worlds. With a 1.3-inch touchscreen, the M600 is IP certified for waterproofing, and the result is a watch that, due to its size, we actually don't feel too comfortable wearing in more situations than during exercise. Also, the screen seems just a little bit too small when compared to the overall watch's footprint. The 500 mAh battery is claimed to last 2 days, which was basically true in our usage. 2 physical buttons make up the tactile experience on top of the full touchscreen, and one of those buttons goes straight into the Polar software that can track specific workouts. It uses the optical heart rate sensor, which is pretty accurate, at least compared to other high-end fitness trackers, and all distance-based activities are tracked via built-in GPS. All the information is then sent to the Polar Flow app installed on any smartphone and used to sync daily activity and workouts in one easy-to-see interface. Though sleep tracking is possible using Polar's ecosystem, it's probably the most simplistic part of it all. Otherwise, heart rate information and the rigorousness of the said activity, tracked by the watch's sensors, are put together to provide an overall snapshot of one's fitness. But this is familiar to anyone that already uses Polar's method. The main addition is Android Wear, which is then familiar to any avid Android users. Polar is trying to merge the two, providing their fitness wearable robust app and notification support, and for the most part we found it effective. Despite some bugs that we experienced when trying to pair the watch to certain Android smartphones, there's plenty that users can achieve using Polar's own fitness software coupled with apps downloaded from the Play Store. For example, fix the sleep tracking by using Sleep as Android. But marrying the two different worlds of Android Wear and Polar comes at a price, a hefty one. The barrier of entry is $329 for a very robust smartwatch and GPS-enabled fitness tracker. It might make sense for new users due to the watch's effective nature as a high-end hybrid, but for people already part of the Polar ecosystem, we can't really find much reason to recommend the steep upgrade.